How to use Fashion Nova referral program. To use the Fashion Nova referral program, you can share your unique referral link with friends, allowing them to get a discount while you earn reward for each success completing a referral. What you need is, all you have to do is visit the Fashion Nova app onto your device, and you just have to go to your dashboard section. You could just go to the Me section. There you have to go to Settings and go to My Info. Here you should be able to find your referral link. You could simply go ahead and tap open the referral link and share it with your friends, or share this personalized link with friends who are new to Fashion Nova. You could and when your friends make a purchase through your link, you could receive a discount, and they will receive discount on their order as well. And use the dashboard to track your successful referral and reward as well. So you could find this option in the homepage, or you could also have these code at the top. You could just go and look for these Me section, and there you could find the referral link as well. And this is how you're supposed to use Fashion Nova referral program. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.